reason we chose Ecoline is because they had good quality manufactured windows. They were certainly manufactured here in Canada.
I am very happy after the job. My house looks like a whole new house, and I'm so grateful.
Yeah, we chose Ecoline just because you guys are knowledgeable and you did a fantastic job, and so we're very happy with our decision.
I am very pleased. You were on time, professional, very neat and tidy. I was very well treated as a customer.
And the price point was pretty well where we wanted to be. And the service was good, installation was awesome.
Excellent job, we are very happy with them.
Very happy. Excellent job.
The guys came in at 9 a.m., done by 3 p.m., and they replaced 7 windows. So that's very good.
Just installed my window with Ecoline windows, and these guys are perfect, and I was very happy from the job they did. Thank you, Ecoline window.
I think the windows look awesome, and I was really happy with our installers. They did an awesome job. Thank you.
We had our windows done by Ecoline here in Blackfalds, and they did a fantastic job. The crew did a great job, and they were fast and efficient. So
Very, very happy. The product is beautiful. My windows look super. I am really happy. I will be happy to refer to anyone that needs new windows and doors.
Good quality, very
Good quality,
professional.
yes. Nice and clean, neat jobs they did. They cleaned up after themselves. Yeah, I have no complaints.
Couldn't ask for more. Really good job.
Yeah,
Highly recommend.
Much appreciated.
I just had my windows and doors done by Ecoline, and I am very happy with the quality of work. The guys are great and professional and went above and beyond, and I really appreciate it. Great job.
And our experience was wonderful. We found that the service all the way around was excellent, and the installers were very efficient and worked really hard. So we love our new windows.